Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have some project shares. These are going to be going out to Hilda, who is Miss Valle on YouTube and also on Instagram. She's doing a challenge giveaway, and all she wants is a Memory Dex card with your information on the back, shaker of your choice, and one ATC card. So you could pick whatever theme that you want to craft for her. But I know Hilda, she loves Halloween. Halloween's her favorite. So this is what I made for her. So let's start with the Memory Dex card. I did this on Louisa's live, and you can see my spider. Now, do not ask me the paper collection because I don't know what the paper collection is. I got it from a D-stash. And if you were on the live with us on Louisa's channel, My Crafty Boutique Co. on YouTube, if you were there, you would know because the ladies, they all knew, they recognized this collection. I don't remember because I don't have this collection. And so anyway, I made a Memodex card. I used a Memodex card form that was already in my stash. And what I did, I cut it out of some cereal box. It looks like this. This is the shape, and that's the cereal. So I cut it out of the cereal box and I layered some cardstock on the back, just some black cardstock. And on the front, I used the paper collection that I already had out, which is also from the D-stash. It is, what is it? Oh my God. I don't know. I can't see the title, but it's Halloween Town or something like that. So I used one of the papers in the background so you can see right there. It has some witches and some pumpkins. So I just picked out a few ephemeras from the D-stash that I received. And if you guys can see, it's right here. This was some leftover ephemera pieces. So I put those to use. I took the spider, put some big eyes on the spider body. And this is also from the D-stash. But this is, you think you could find this in Walmart because I think I purchased one like this also. Some have googly eyes and some are just the puffy eyes. So I went with this one. And the way making this little thing wobble, I just took some chenille stems or pipe cleaners, however you want to call it, and wrapped it around my pen, and it creates this little spring action here. And then I glued that to the base of the Memodex card. You can see it right there. Then the spring comes up multiple layers, and I attached it to the back of the spider just with some hot glue and a circle. I love it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, and so I just added some layering pieces on here. This is a die that I have in my stash. This is a recent die that came out from KS Crafts, I believe. And I cut the circle in half because, you know, you don't need the whole thing. I just needed it to be backed up on something. You could see there I put some, what is that called? Some ink. Oh my gosh, cannot think at all. And then I also have some Nuvo drops. These are the glitter drops from the Nuvo line. So this one is silver crystals. That's what I used. What else? So I put some here on the candy corn. I did distress the edges with the black ink. Put some here on the spider web, some of that. Nuvo drops, gem drops, whatever I just called it, glitter drops. I also put some in the eyes of the pumpkin. I added a Dollar Tree witch's hat on top of the pumpkin. And then this little bat here is also a Dollar Tree wood chip or wood piece. And I just painted it up with some Nuvo again. I use this one, and this is the color Gloss Ebony Black. So I put it on the bat, and then on top of that, after it dried a little, I added some glow-in-the-dark yellow. This is Banana Split. You can see that there. Okay, so I added that to the top of our bat. So once it fully charges, you could probably, I don't know, it's hard to show with all the lights, but it would glow. I just haven't exposed it to the sun. Well, anyway, that's all that I did using just a Memdex shape and all the ephemera pieces. Just added a few little extras onto it. And when you turn to the back, I have Ghoul Friends, and I believe this is the Halloween die set from KS Crafts, I believe. Yeah, KS Crafts. And I just took some of the ephemera pieces, the bat and the tombstone, and attached them together. There's nothing too fancy. And I took some glitter cardstock and added it to the bottom, excuse me, just so it will fit into this envelope without like completely falling out. So there you go. And I added friends onto the bottom of the envelope, but I also used some die cut pieces. This is another die that I picked up from, I think this was picked up on Ally. It was part of the Christmas tree die set that KS Crafts came out with. Let me see. There we go. So this comes with some scalloped edges on the bottom. It's hard to see from this. I don't want to pull it all out. Okay. Take my word. And the little envelope here is a die from Coco and Reno when I used to have their monthly subscription. So yeah, that's what I used on the back. And there's that paper that I used also. So I put that in there just like that. It's got my info on there. You really didn't need the envelope. I could have just attached this completely, but that's okay. So there's my Memdex. And then the next item you can make is, or you have to make, is a shaker. So let me just pull this little coffin here. This I made on a live with Louisa and Eve and Chiquita. We were on Louisa's channel. And I was challenged by Jessie's Crafts to create or craft with this coffin off of Cricut. And so this is what I did with it. And Louisa told me to just cut slits and make a hinge, which now I'm thinking I should have done it on the top up here, but that's okay. It still works. So this is a rosette from the Rosette Guru, who is Ebony. This is a die cut I picked up on Ally. Was it Ally? Or was it the other one? It was probably the other one. But this die set is so cool. It comes with 3 layers. You got the way in the back, the shadow, and then the sentiment. So I thought that was cool. So I added that to the top. And then here are my shakers. I made these shaker tags. And these are also from KS Crafts. Let me close that up. So I made these 2 shakers. And look at the bat. And this time on the bat I put it on the acetate so you can't see it. I thought that was so cool. And then you have these little fun shaker bits. And I used some sentiments that were gifted to me from Lisa. And I think her shop is My Little Crafty Shop. There you go. She has the little Halloween sentiments. So I used that. And then I used it also here. And this little bow is also a KS Craft bow. It's a Witch Boots bow. And I have that in my stash for a while Comes with the hat, comes with the boots, and the little bow behind it. So I used that one. This one says Boo. Put it on the pumpkin, and I didn't want to cover up these little guys, so I left it blank. And then this one here, I had that spiderweb edge die. It comes in another size, large one, and then also the smaller spiderweb. Okay, so that is the shaker. You only had to make one, but since I made these two, I was like, let me just throw it in there for her. And then the last required make is an ATC card. And I made this one on Alive with Louisa just this Wednesday. So there's the little spiders. I added these. These are from a sticker set from Michael's. What's this, Michael's? Hobby Lobby. So when they used to have Halloween, so see, it does say Hobby Lobby there. Yeah, I grabbed a few, and then I also received some in packages as Happy Mail. So they don't carry this anymore. So that's another thing. But look at how cute they are. This is a Dollar Tree skull sticker. I just recently received this one also. So I just took one of the skulls. There's the ephemera from the that little pack that I got in the stash. And this is also part of that ephemera pack. The paper was also gifted to me. That was in the D stash. And then I just added that spiderweb border trim right there in the background. So I used like 4 pieces of the spider stickers. I thought that was so pretty. And then on the back, I just folded that border over the top, added my sticker, and then there's another ephemera piece, that spider. And just how perfect is that with this background paper? And it's purple. So, whoops. So that's a win-win and win for me. So those are the required items, 1, 2, and 3. This is just a bonus because I've already crafted and made it. The coffin is what's going to hold majority of the items. But I also made these beautiful bows. Look at this. Isn't that cute? I made this one on another live with them crafty girls. Look at that cute. Oh my goodness, the spider. Added some of that stickles on there. Or not stickles, but the Nuvo. And then this fun little guy, this dancing skeleton. I had a bat die right there. And I just added it to the back of the skeleton. So it looks like he's got wings. And he could fly. And then here's another one in a different pose. So I made these two. Aren't they cute? So I'm going to just gift those to her because it matches the whole thing. It just goes well together. Whoops. I got to get it in here the right way because otherwise, oh, it's not going to be good if I don't. And then I had this one in here. It just works out perfect, right? Let me see. Sometimes it works out perfect. And then I had him in here sideways. And then because he's on acetate, he's very flexible. So there we go. He's in. Just like that. And then you got this little Memdex card. Oh, man. I might have to trim this down a little bit. Let me see. Let me trim this down just a little bit. It's too much height on there, on that tombstone. And then perfect, just like that. Oh, that's better. And then we can stick this on here. Maybe not, maybe, nope, doing too much. So I'm gonna put some shred in here in the coffin later before I wrap it all up. And I'm gonna have to package this somehow because I don't wanna damage our little spider. I might have to make a box for him. Just to keep him safe because he's way out to the sides and she probably won't be able to fit this into a Memdex box, but it's okay. Oh my goodness, she could do whatever she wants with this one. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a quick one, but it's really just a project share. and what I'm going to be sending off to our friend Hilda. So guys, I hope you check it out. I'll try to put her link down below to her channel and her Instagram, and you can go and give her a follow. She has this deadline all the way up until the 31st of October. So feel free to participate. Don't be scared. It's really easy. Memdex, a shaker, one shaker, and an ATC card. That's it. Too easy, too easy. And I'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.